Wake up, lazy students, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today is part 2 in my 3-part Halloween series coming to you this October on my channel. Very exciting. So today I'm going to be doing some Halloween decoration DIYs. If you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, it really helps my channel, and let's get into it. The first thing I'd like to show you is some vlog footage. I went to shops like B&M and TK Maxx to see if they had any fun decorations or anything I might want to recreate. I honestly, even though it was a few weeks before Halloween this year, did not find it that much. If you're interested in that vlog footage, make sure you stick around because I'm about to roll it. But if you're not interested and you'd rather just get into the DIYs and how to create the wreath, the bunting and the fun way to package sweets, make sure that you hit this timestamp here. That's where you'll find the video starting. This is foam. I think the foam, that's quite pumpkin-y coloured. So I would say get some of this foam. They've also got packs of like little foam, but I think we're looking at orange, aren't we?
Yeah.
So how's, I think 2, that'll do, because like pumpkin, 6 on each, that's a good garland, isn't it? So we'll get that. We've also picked up some, is it crepe or crap paper?
Crepe paper.
Crap paper, and also for the Halloween wreath, so that'll be really good. As you might have seen from the previous portion of the video, I had already picked up a styrofoam base for my wreath in Hobbycraft. They didn't seem to have any good autumnal decorations, so I headed over to Amazon to see what I could find. If you need any inspiration, I have actually left the links to the exact products I use below and some alternatives if you're interested. Here are the things that you will need to make this wreath. First of all, you'll need a base. I chose styrofoam. You'll also need some glue. PVA or Mod Podge should work fine. You'll need some decorations to put on your wreath, and also some sewing pins, if like me you have some trouble securing things onto your styrofoam, such as the leaves, because they won't stick. After sorting out my decorations, it was just a case of gluing down a couple layers of leaves. I tried to do a mixture of colours, but it's totally up to you what you want your wreath to look like. I actually ended up drying my wreath with pins in it overnight and took them out in the morning when everything had dried. I had a really hard time getting my leaves to stick to the styrofoam, no matter what glue I used, so I definitely recommend sticking pins in as you go, leaving it overnight and then taking them out once it's dry. Next, it was time for the finishing touches. Because I chose a styrofoam base, this made it really easy to pierce these berries straight into the base. After some time deciding, I finally settled on an order for the mini pumpkins to go in. I glued them down and voila! Here's my finished wreath. This bunting is a super simple craft and only took a couple of materials. To create this, you'll need some orange foam, some markers, scissors, glue, and finally some yarn or string of your choice. So for the actual design, I just used the picture of a pumpkin that I found on Google as inspiration, but you can definitely make up any of your own designs. This one really is as simple as drawing out a pumpkin, cutting it out and gluing it onto your string. Because my bunting can be viewed from both sides, I chose to draw the pattern on each side, but be warned, I turned mine over too quickly and the marker from the Sharpie had actually gotten onto my desk, so make sure you don't make the same mistake. For this craft, all you have to do is grab some sweeties, some crepe paper, a marker and some sellotape. Then you're good to go. So all you're doing for this craft is folding over the crepe paper and sticking some sweeties inside. Lollipops are great for this as it helps to create a ghost-like structure. Fold over the crepe paper and stick some sellotape around the middle. Draw a ghost face and you're done. I love this quick and easy craft. Thank you you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Special thank you to my boyfriend for showing me how to do those little sweets. That was really cute. If you do decide to recreate any of the decorations that you saw here today, please tag the Lazy Student in your Instagram or Twitter or whatever social medias, because I would absolutely love to share it and just share the love and see what you have created. If you do enjoy this channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really supports me and helps me to keep creating all of the content that I make for you. Make sure that you tune in next week, because I will be doing the third and final installment of my Halloween series for this year, so make sure that you have subscribed and rung the notification bell so that you're notified for that. Thank you again for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!